Persuasive speech about the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic highly needs the resiliency of the Filipino people and even across the nations who are badly affected by this crisis. The end of the crisis may seem a little impossible, for now we're still rooting for the vaccine, but this should not keep us from living our lives. We have to make the necessary adjustments and adaptations, because if not, then we will all suffer in stagnation and fear. Let us keep a spirit of strong belief that we will go through this victoriously. This too shall pass, but as we await, let us learn to live anyway. Let us keep our hopes up, because we deserve to stand strong and fight a good fight ahead. Let us serve one another and bless each other with whatever we got in our possessions. Let us not grow timid, not extending any help for others at all when we are we should. May we not dwell on the tremendous and tragic impact of this pandemic, but may we look at the blessings that we have on our hands. We have families who survive with us no matter how tough it gets. We will get through this and we will grow. Give yourself grace for grief. Acknowledge it, allow it, and release self-imposed guilt or shame. Grant yourself permission, space, and all of the time you need to feel your feelings. Offer gratitude for all that's not lost, including you. You are still here and you are not alone.